which brings us to this kind of problem again, which is if I'm given some zeros, how do I turn them into a polynomial? Well, the first step is turn them into linear factors. What's the linear factor that has a 0 of 1? X minus 1. What's the linear factor that has a 0 of 3? X minus 3, right? And then you would have to FOIL it, right? X squared minus 3x minus x, which is minus 4x. Negative 1 times negative 3 is plus 3. So what's the polynomial that has those two zeros? There it is. They're always expected in standard form. What would be the three linear factors here? X plus a half, X minus 3, and X minus 4. And again, like I just showed you, because we don't want to deal with 1/2, I'm going to multiply this one by 2 and make that 2x plus 1 times x minus 3. I mean, when the question is find the polynomial that has these zeros, it doesn't change by me multiplying by 2. It still has those 3 zeros. Now, how is it that we multiplied 3 binomials together? FOIL 2 of them, right? You could take your pick on which 2. To me, it looks like the last 2 are probably the easy 2 to do. So what if I do like this? 2x plus 1 times x squared minus 7x plus 12, right? And then how did we go from there to our final answer? Regine? The chart, right? The chart, right? So we said, make yourself a little table or a chart and put one of the factors, 2x plus 1, on one side, and put the other factor on the top, and then fill every square by multiplying what's on the left and what's on top. So 2x times x squared is 2x to the third. 2x times negative 7 is minus 14x squared. 2x times 12 is 24x. 1 times x squared, 1 times negative 7x, and 1 times 12. Right, so by multiplying 2 terms times 3 terms, we made 6 terms, but some of them are like terms, so combine the like terms, right? So what's the highest power term? 2x to the third. How many squareds do we have? Negative 13, right? 1 minus 14 is negative 13x squared. How about x's? Positive 17. Negative 7 plus 24. And then we have our 12. Okay. So remember, that works. That even works for foiling. If you want to foil that way, that would work.